Hello friends, we are back with another interesting video and this is how we are trying to make a rotating circular pattern out of this blue color sheet, and you are trying to draw patterns over there so that it makes a nice looking octopi here. Next in the sequence you are having a yellow color sheet and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that it makes a nice flying bird out here. This is how you can make it more attractive by giving patterns. Next in the sequence you are trying to make grasses in such a way that on top it looks like that pineapple grasses, below you are having that pineapple. Isn't it yummy pineapple? A good looking cartoonistic pineapple. This is how she is saying everyone to come and eat her. Next in the sequence you are having a yellow colored paper and you are trying to make a snail out of it. This is how you are making a nice eyes and you can play with it. Next in the sequence you are having red color paper and this is how you are giving heart look to it, and you are trying to make another heart and paste it out here so that it makes a nice strawberry out here. This is how it makes a 3D looking strawberry out here. Next in the sequence you are taking several colorful circular patterns so that it makes a nice bee out here. This is how she is flying on the clouds and she is enjoying among herself. Next in the sequence you are taking this corn look you are trying to make in a black color paper, and after giving proper clay, that proper corn look to it, you are trying to make a 3D look out here so that it looks like exactly a sweet corn here. And let me know how many of you like this sweet corn. Next in the sequence you are taking a yellow colored paper and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that it makes a nice bird look out here, like it's giving you a bird look, the swan look you can say. This is how you can make a nice flowing aquatic bird out here. Next in the sequence you are trying to make a drawing out here such a way that after folding it to this you'll get a nice pattern out here like this. After further foldings you are getting a nice escalator, or you can say a pattern over here like this, so that after foldings you'll get a nice elephanty pattern, and this way you can make with different colors also. Next in the sequence you are making a heart and on top you are pasting this so that it makes a nice teddy look out here. You can have whatever color teddy you want to. Here it's blue. Next in the sequence you are taking another color paper and this is how you are trying to paste on top of one another so that it makes a nice 3D looking umbrella out here, and this is how you can tie gifts on top of this so that it looks like a nice flying gifty box. Next in the sequence you are taking a green color and you are trying to rotate flare pattern out here so that it makes a nice bucket out here. This is how you are giving patterns to it so that you can tie your candies to it. Next in the sequence you are taking white pattern out here, pasting it on top of yellow, and you are giving further lookings to it so that it makes a nice happy clouds out here. They all are happy and they are trying to enjoy this season. Next in the sequence you are taking different size of colorful pages, and this is how you are trying to paste it on top of one another, and you will get a nice foldings like this. This is how you are pasting it out so that it makes a nice pattern out here, and this is how you are giving colors full eyes to it and makes nice cartoon here.